the cosine rule. In this video, we'll be continuing with non-right angle triangles. This time we want to talk about the cosine rule. And here's your checklist, and that is to memorize the cos rule, and then try to solve triangles using the cos rule. All right, let's begin the lesson. Now, here's one version of the cosine rule, and what it does is that it relates the three lengths of the triangle to the cos of one angle in particular. So in this version, we have the angle A, and so the formula is given as a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. In general, you want to use the formula whenever you have 3 out of the 4 quantities required. So here's the version of the formula pointed towards the angle B. In this case, we have b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos B. And lastly, we have the formula in terms of the angle C. And this time we have c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos C. Notice that if you have the 3 lengths of the triangle, then you could use the cosine rule to calculate any angle that you want. Let's see an example. So here we have a triangle with lengths 14 meters, 10 meters, and 11 meters, and we want to find the angle BCA. So we use the cosine rule, and we're focused on the angle C, so we use c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos C. Now, before we begin to fill in the formula, it's important to remember that we name the sides of the triangle to match the opposite angle. So for instance, we want to fill in our C, so we need to look opposite the angle C, and that gives us the length 11. And we do the same for A and B, and that gives us 10 and 14 respectively. So in all, we have 11 squared equals 10 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 10 by 14, and then just the cos of C. So now we just need to rearrange this equation to find the actual angle C. Let's start by moving the numbers over to one side. So we have 11 squared minus 10 squared minus 14 squared equals minus 280 cos C. And then we could divide throughout by minus 280. And we have 11 squared minus 10 squared minus 14 squared over minus 280 equals cos of C. We take the cos inverse of this, and then finally we have our answer of 51.32 degrees. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe here if you want to get the latest from the Caribbean Scholar YouTube channel, or if you're ready, you can use the link in the description to hop onto our website and sign up for one of our premium courses.